Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Zaytoon. You can call me Zay, and I am a tutor on Cambly. Today, you'll be learning about reading comprehension. 5 questions to ask. Now you'll probably ask, what are 5 W's and how questions, right? Not to worry, here we go. These are question words you can ask yourself when you want to test your understanding after reading. It is not easy when you learn a new language. It can be daunting when you start reading and you don't understand everything. Take it easy and slowly and write down any new words. There is a way to test your understanding. This is where the 5 W's and how words come in. Now the 5 W's and how question words are. Number 1, what for an animal or thing. Number 2, who for a person. Number 3, why for a reason. Number 4, when for time. Number 5, where for a place. And number 6, how for a thing or reason, and this can be replaced with what too. Now after reading your story or article, gather some information in your head and start asking and answering the 5 W's and how questions. Number 1, what occurred? Number 2, who is the main person in the story? Number 3, when did the story take place? Number 4, where did it occur? Number 5, why did it occur? And number 6, how did it occur? You will usually find the answers to the above questions at the beginning of your story or article. And if you can answer these questions, you can be sure that you understand your story or article. I hope you had some fun learning with me today. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.